Hey guys, welcome back to Ford Adventures. It's Hong once again, and welcome back to this mini series where I try to put my Jeep back to the state that it was in before the accident. For those who are new to the channel, I was in an accident last October and finally got my Jeep back 3 weeks ago, May 1st. So it was gone for like almost 6 months. So right now I'm just trying to put it piece by piece back together. Today's video, we are going to put the new secondary battery in, which is right here. The new Odyssey Extreme. Unfortunately, the other battery died during that 5-month process, and it was considered like an aftermarket thing, and insurance wouldn't cover it, and the warranty was done by then, so that came out of my own pocket. So today we're gonna be putting that in, but before we do that, I gotta take that out and test the new one before I can put back the Genesis dual battery top on, so it can do its thing. So yeah, that's today's video. It should be hopefully quick, not too long. Yeah, but this is how it looks right now. It's a little janky. You know, it's just a couple bolts and a piece of aluminum holding it in, and that's where we stand. So right now I'm just gonna unbolt the aluminum panel there, and then remove the positive and negative, and take that battery out. Oh man, these batteries are heavy as hell. They're like 60-70 pounds each, and it's not fun to take out. So, alright, let's get to work. Alright, just gonna loosen this up. This is alright, let's this, let's wrap this with this for now. Get this out of the way. Off. Okay. Let's just put you in this glove like that. Holy cow. Oh lordy. Let me catch my breath. So I already got it in. So this is is it recording? I'm recording. Yeah, I'm recording. All right, so this is a Odyssey Extreme battery, and then this is a performance battery. They don't make the performance batteries anymore, so I had to get Extreme. They said it was equivalent. It was basically the same thing, but it's just different names. I think the performance version was for the US, and the Extreme one was the Canadian. So it's in. Now I just gotta do a quick connect, then turn up the Jeep, make sure it is running, and then this will be my cranking battery. So I'm gonna have to move this in here, and then that guy becomes my accessory battery. So pretty straightforward. Let's get this in. All right, let's get these off. Let's keep this one on for just in case. And then let's make sure got everything ready to go. Put the negative. We don't want anything touching. Make sure that sits properly. I mean, okay. And I don't think I should really tighten it. You know what? I'll just tighten it just in case. For those who are wondering what these red and black thicker cables are, I replaced the original stock with what's it, Super 7? No, what was it? I forgot what it's called. Super 7 cables or Big 7? I did a Big 7 upgrade last year, and this is the results of it. The Jeep does start up a lot better, and these cables are just a lot thicker. All right, this is the part where I don't like. Should I do this? Okay, let's just see. I'm surprised there was no spark. So get this on. This is just temporary. I just want to make sure this battery is good. I didn't really test it, so okay. Let's see if it works. Please work, please. All right, I see some lights. Power. Battery is good. I'm just gonna let it run a few minutes, just to make sure no sparks are flying yet. And then, yeah, we can just put it all together. Now I'm gonna take that out, shove it to the back. That will be the cranking battery, like I mentioned earlier, and then we could reassemble everything. Whew. All right, let's get to it. Gloves. All right. Whew. Make sure everything is correct. No, this is like this. Negative. Just trying to figure out how this goes on again. Nothing. Hey, sorry guys, I thought I was actually recording, but yeah, I forgot to turn the camera on record mode. But I pretty much have everything installed. I just had to take a quick look at the Genesis website and see how everything was installed. I just trying to get the last terminal in. It's sticking out a little bit, and so I just have to tighten this bolt here, and then no, she's not tight. Yeah, I just tighten this up. I don't know, these terminals, the new battery terminals are a little slant, cone shaped more, so it's just a little hard to get fully seated. Okay, so that one comes off. Where is this? Gotta make sure this one. Alright, so moment of truth. No sparks. I don't want to touch anything. Okay, that's in. Okay, just get this last bolt. It's nut. Great. Okay. Whew, that took a while. Alright, so this all is good. This positive, negative. This is all good. This goes to the alternator. This goes to the feed. Okay, this goes to the alternator. Okay, and then this is to the fuse box. Okay, this is to the fan. All the negatives are connected. It's tight. This guy's in here. Starter. Go down to the starter. Alright, the moment of truth. Let's turn this on. Once this little red light comes on, then we know this is working. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now, this should just take about a minute or so for this to light up. Once it lights up, these two will be connected together. So, yeah. Oh, just looked a little bit nicer with that little cleanup yesterday. So yeah, just waiting for that light to connect. There we go. Now both batteries are connected. So yeah. Whew. Okay. That was quite fun. I don't know, I always get the jitters when I'm dealing with the batteries and all that, and, you know, the sparks and all that shit. So yeah, so happy this is working now. This is working now. You can see, and then yeah, we can start running other cables, figure out my S-Pod situation, and go from there. So yeah, that is it for today. That's enough fun for me today. You know, batteries and all that, not my forte. Electricity, not my forte. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed that, please hit a like, subscribe for future videos, and I'll see you on the next one. All right, have a good one.